Are you trying to decide between Namecheap and Cloudflare? You're not alone. Many people wonder which service is better for their needs. In this video, we'll compare these two popular tools. Both are known for helping with websites, but they serve different purposes. Namecheap is mainly a domain registrar. They help you buy and manage domain names. They also offer web hosting and email services. It's a one stop shop for getting your website online. On the other hand, Cloudflare focuses on website performance and security. They provide services like content delivery networks, DDoS protection, and SSL certificates. Cloudflare makes your site faster and safer from attacks. Now, let's look at the key differences. Namecheap is great for buying domains and hosting, but if you want to improve your website speed and security, Cloudflare is the better choice. When it comes to features, Namecheap offers domain registration, hosting, and email services. Their interface is user friendly, making it easy for beginners. Cloudflare, however, provides advanced security features and performance optimization. Their dashboard can be complex, but it's powerful. Pricing is another factor. Namecheap usually has low prices for domains and hosting. Cloudflare offers free plans for basic services, but advanced features come at a cost. So, who should choose what? If you're starting a website and need a domain, Namecheap is the way to go. If you already have a site and want to boost its performance and security, Cloudflare is a smart choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more comparisons.